Hello everyone, I am Krishi Tiwari, a second year computer engineering student at Government Engineering College Bharuch. So today I am going to share and explain you about my capstone project at Mirai AI internship. So this is my project, which is an AI travel planner, TripMate. You can use this platform to generate a customized trip planning for yourself. Suppose you are planning a trip with your family, friends or anyone, you can use this platform to generate a customized day by day itinerary for yourself. So first I would like to share the tools which I had used to create this platform. I have used Lovable AI to create this front end part and to collect the input from the user. And for the backend part, I has used this init workflow. So now I'm going to explain you about working of this platform. Once you fill all the details like your destination, current city, starting date, duration in days, budgets, etc. And once you complete all these steps, this form is connected with the webhook through this post URL. And after this webhook node, you can see a AI agent node, which is having a chat model of Google Gemini, which is like this Google Gemini chat model creates a customized output based on the user's input. And after this AI agent node, you can see here a Google Sheet node, which is used to store all the input provided by the user and the output created by this Google Gemini chat model. And after this Google Sheet node, you can see here a Gmail node, which is used to send a your travel planning or your customized itinerary through your Gmail. Okay. So now I'm going to show you. Suppose I wanted to go Goa. Current city is Surat, India. Starting date is suppose 29th August for 3 days. I'm having budget of let's say 1 lakh. Uh, will travel through train of travelers to next activities and adventures, beach activities, food tours and photographies, shopping and etc. Accommodation preferences, resort, trip style, mixed, travel pace, moderate, dietary, vegetarian. If you have any special requirements, you can write it here. Next. And now you have to provide an email address through which you will get your customized itinerary. So I will enter mine. And so here is your summary of your trip. And if you wanted to make some changes or edit anything, you can go back through this, you can go back by clicking on this previous button. Okay, now I will submit. So it is submitted, and once it is submitted, it will get here by the AI agent and it will create a output and it will store in Google Sheet, and then it will send through email address to the user. So it will take some time. Till then I will I am going to share you about what are the challenges I had faced during building this. So initially when I prepared this workflow, so I thought that I should add a code node after this AI agent node and before this Google Sheet, because the output generated by the chat model, when it is delivered to the user Gmail address, it is not properly structured. So I thought, how can I refine it? So with the help of ChatGPT, I had refined this system message, and I have asked it to wrap everything in HTML so that when user will receive as an email, it will be properly structured. Output will be in properly structured format. So let's yeah, here is our travel planning for Goa from Surat. You can see here is the overview of your trip, and here is your travel plan, accommodation suggestion and day by day itinerary. You can see it has also suggested some vegetarian foods in Goa and budget breakdown. Okay, so here is the output, and some of my friends that had also tried this, so you can see their output. So you can use this platform to create your travel planning. And also I am not having a premium of N8N platform, so you can use this platform for 14 days. I'm having 14 days free trial, so till that time you can use this, and you can create your customized planning. Okay, so the details of like all the inputs by the user and the output provided by the chat model is stored here in the Google Sheet. As you can see, it is stored here in this Google Sheet. So you can try it out by yourself. The link is in the description. Hope you like my project. Thanks for watching.